Ignou MA in Distance Education students. Boost your exam preparation. Lightbulb Blue Book. Are you pursuing MA in Distance Education from Ignou and struggling with exam planning or answer writing? Don't worry, EncycloHub is here to help you every step of the way. Get your hands on our previous year solved papers, specially compiled for Ignou's MA Distance Education program. Books What's Inside. White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the past 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark clear and concise answers written as per Ignou's marking pattern. White heavy checkmark coverage of key subjects like foundations of distance education, educational communication, course design, research methods, and more. White heavy checkmark based on the latest Ignou syllabus. Light bulb Y EncycloHub. Small blue diamond 100% accurate and exam-focused content. Small blue diamond instant delivery in easy-to-read PDF format. Small blue diamond affordable pricing made for students. Small blue diamond already trusted by thousands of Ignou learners. Perfect for last-minute prep, self-study, and improving writing style. Our solved papers are your exam success companion. Mobile phone with arrow to place your order. Message us on WhatsApp at your contact number. Or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with the message, MA Distance Education Solved Papers. Open Book Learn Smart. Score high. Only with EncycloHub, your study partner for Ignou success.